auspicious, natural. Look at the negative. I waited too long for the response. It's a negative. So such kind of situation, if you actually create a report, just a second, by using the Copilot, solve. Please type out the chat box your feedback. Is it good? Copilot really help? Yes or no? It's good, right?
ये नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव बता रहा है
Everything.
सेंटिमेंट पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव है
Now, in sentiment analysis, we can also do one
feedback
more.
आया ना?
Look at this.
Feedback कैसा? बता देना इसके
I can
सेंटिमेंट
also
का
create the category also.
feedback
I can also
positive
create the category. What do you mean by the category? The category means basically I need sentiment is feedback, but what is the reason? That is also I need in my category column. But my point is, so by using the Copilot function, it is very easy. It is very easy. Got my point? So first one is only for the sentiment, but here positive. Why positive? That I need. Sometimes customer feedback is more than 15 lines, more than 5 lines are there. So I want to get the result in, okay, this customer feedback I am getting the positive, but why positive? That also be understood, no? So no. So for this purpose, we can customize our prompt just like this. We'll just remove. So let's say Copilot. Within the double quotations, let's say evaluate. So evaluate this review. And then select the entire range. Then comma. Again, I'm using. So based on these, header, column, so which column we want to need? Basically, I need the sentiment and the category, and then not close. Got my point? Let's press enter. So look at that. So this is the sentiment is the positive, but why positive? Because of the product quality. Negative, why negative? Because the customer service. Positive, why? The delivery, because you see the delivery was on time and that looked good. So we can also customize my prompt as per my requirement. So this is called sentiment analysis. Within a second, you can create such kind of reports. I hope you people understood. Is it helpful, yes or no? It is helpful. Absolutely. Thank you. Okay. So now we move to task 8 for another examples. So look at the scenario. Sometimes we have income statements, the balance sheet, cash flow, profit and loss. There are so many reports are there. So look at my reports. Look at the reports. This is the income statement for 2023, 2024 and 2025. The sales revenue and everything will be there. So this is the results and the net profit is this. So what happened as a financial analyst? Sometimes you receive such kind of data from the management and management asks you, okay, would you please create a report based on income statements? Can you do that? So imagine you are working in a finance department and your manager drops the scanned exam paper like this on your desk and it contains expense, salaries, read, profit, trades. But everything is messy, unstructured and partially hidden. Now the question is, can Excel convert this chaos into the powerful business insights? That's exactly what we are going to learn now. So using the Copilot, yes, you can create a such kind of reports. So let's see. Equal to Copilot. Open bracket. Now what is the form? For this purpose we can use the get detail. So get detail inside. So detail inside about income statement. From
Forget detail inside
and
about income
I need this one for an example. I select the entire page and then bracket close. Now look at the magic. If I press enter key, so I am getting the result. Look at this. So income statements give me the insights.
inside income.
Sales revenue show a consistent increase from this
Inside.
cost of goods sold, selling, general, salaries. So if you go to the overall, the company shows revenue growth, but this is revenue cost, ratio in salary and operating expenses, leading and decline the profitability margin. Now here people tell, within a second, is it possible without the Copilot? Is it possible without Copilot within a second how to generate the insight? So any kind of financial data,
Important thing. This is situation. Data
So, any kind of reports, suppose you are working on the balance sheet last 10 years in any company. So management give you the task that please research on last 20 years balance sheets and give some insights so that we can take the decision based on the report. So that time it is very difficult to create a report manually or any other AI tools, or there are so many financial functions we have to apply. So we don't need, we just simple call the Copilot, type your prompt select the range, and Copilot will immediately
दो टैक्स
like assistant.
गाली मत
Okay, so it is okay. Any query, any questions? Shall I move for the next?
नो नो
Shall I move for the next? Yes or no?
यस यस
Okay, very good. So now move to the task number 9. Look at this. Very interesting problem. Suppose we can also create a suggestions. We can also create a suggestion box based on the situations. So if you see, I have a CT as well as the prompt, and then there are some information we basically need. So let me see how to solve it. So for an example, I type ABCD name, let's say Mumbai. Let's say I type the Mumbai. Okay, I type the Mumbai, and then I need the top 10 hospital with their rating and the best treatment. For example, this is a normal human beings. You are working in the healthcare operation team, and your boss give you the task that could you please create a such kind of report where I type the CT name and then prompt, and Copilot automatically give me the top 10 hospitals, their rating and the best treatment based on the city. It could be a possible. Yes. So for an example, I just use, you can write the formula here. Let's say equal to, give me a list. Give me a list of test in hospital you can concatenate with the cell, so that if I am changing the name of the particular cell, it will automatically update. Then database, then for each hospital. So this is the problem. So now go to this, type the Copilot, and the prompt is this. Okay, and then hospital name, rating, and the description. This immediately the rating. So in Mumbai, these are the top 10 hospitals. The Milwaukee hospitals, the rating is 4.5 right now. The best treatment is cardiology and orthopedics. So individual hospitals name, their rating, and the best treatment automatically come. Now, change the name, let's say right now I don't buy and it will be changed. It will be changed as per my requirements. So automatically right now Delhi All India Institute of Medical Science is 9.5 ratings, cardiology, neurology and oncology. If I go to the Kolkata, let's see the center. Look at that. Apollo Hospitals, the rating is 4.5. Fortis, Amri, Bellevue, and so on. So can I create a top-down list? It will be all more dynamic. So I just do more detail, then go to the list. Here is also the code of the Mumbai, Delhi, and Chennai. Okay. It is very helpful. Updated as per my requirement. Okay. So now you people tell me, is it really interesting? Yes or no? Type on the chat box please. So by using the Copilot, you can create such kind of suggestions. It is very helpful in any organization. So Copilot is a fantastic formula right now. So I need more comment from your side. Everybody please. Absolutely. So you can create some kind of report also. So shall I move for the next? Task number 10. So go to the task number 10. So look at this. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Look at the tables. This is my master table where customer ID, customer name and the CT name will be there. In the left hand side, I have an entry number, customer name, basically filled by sales team. I want to fetch the CT name from here also. So generally we are using the VLOOKUP. So let's see VLOOKUP. So what is my lookup value? Lookup value is this. Is my lookup value, comma, and the lookup array is the table array is this. And then there's the F4 key. Which column I want to read? The second column, because we need the second, and exactly for the 0, the back code and the. But I am not getting the result. Could you please tell me why we are not getting the result by using the VLOOKUP functions? Please type on the chat box. Why this is error with
इसी बिजी है अभी
Please type on the chat box.
मंडे को लेते हैं नहीं परसों के या
What
कल
is the problem? I need more comment from your type. Everybody please type on the map. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. You were right. The spelling issues, no exact match, customer name, some issues. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Very good, very good. So look at this. If I go and here, this is the name of Rakesh Electronics. Look at the spelling is electronics. TRONIX Private Limited. The actual is this. Rakesh Electronics Private Limited. So this is not match. This is not match. So that is the problem. But have you heard about the Suzy lookup? So such kind of problem we are solved partially match. If you working on the partially match for a lookup value, so nowadays most of the people are using the XLOOKUP to solve this problem. We can also use the solve this problem by XLOOKUP, yes. But earlier or nowadays most of the people are working on the Fuji lookup. There is an add-on downloaded from the internet, and then you can use the Fuji lookup. But right now, if you are working in Excel Copilot, you don't. So Copilot can take care. Let's see how to solve it by Copilot. So let's see equal to Copilot. Then prompt. So what is the prompt? The prompt is partial match. Partial match. Then comma. The partial match means this one, and then comma. Go to the second prompt. Master table. Master table. Need. Second column. Okay. So this is the prompt, and then we want to select the entire range for the master table. We select the range and then press import for the table. Then bracket play. So look at this. Here is the command Copilot partial match. These are the lookup value. Move to the table array, master table second column ID. Once I press the entire key, look at this, I'm getting the result. So it is really game changer. We don't need any add-on. It's very complicated formula in the real life. But even a Copilot, in the fraction of second, you can partial match in the lookup value. Please type on the chat box. Is it helpful in my daily life? Yes or no?
हेलो आदिशक्ति बात हो रही है।
So by using the
अब क्या है कि
Copilot,
हमारा आईडी देने का
you can
डेट
do
लास्ट डेट कब है?
so these are the 10 examples I am
कब लास्ट
showing
है?
you, but it is lots of more
अरे
examples.
नहीं, एक्चुअली बात है कि लड़की को उसका जो फोन नंबर और आधार कार्ड हो गया, तो अभी आज ओपन हुआ है
Please explore it.
वो नंबर,
It is
तो 24
fantastic.
घंटे बाद एक्टिवेट होगा,
As
तो
a
हो सकता है
data
कल या
analysis,
परसों दे पाए।
everyday life अपना जिंदगी आसान कर देगा। That I assure. Got my point clear? So in these sessions we will already cover up task 1 for auto-populated list, task 2 create or generate an AMI data by using the Copilot, messy data to clean, format, remove the blanks and duplicate data, extract the meaningful record from the messy data.
हो
You
जाएगा
can also
फिर
use
आगे
it
नहीं
as a
होती
calculation. We don't need the separate
बात
formula.
किया हूँ
By
बोले कि
most,
कोई भी 2 दिन बाद
most
दे
of
सकती
them,
है।
at least Copilot, I think more than 100 formula we just actually bypass by the Copilot. Sentiment analysis
रिचार्ज नहीं
by using the
होगा
Copilot. We can create a report, financial report by using the Copilot. You can create such kind of suggestions or create an automated report. I'm actually talking about the hospital. You can find out the restaurant, you can find out the college, universities, best company, big four company.
ये कर लो
So everything.
ज़्यादा जब जमा कर लो
Try
पूछ
to
लेना है परसेंटेज
and
अच्छे
the
से।
last one, the 4C lookup, the partial match. So I hope everybody understood.
अब बाहर आईडी ना
So overall, I will actually demonstrate Excel Copilot functions. For the next session, I will explain the co-pilot as a tool. But before that, we have to take a break. And after a break, we will show you co-pilot as a tool. So I am talking about co-pilot as a tool. Right now, co-pilot function is over. I think you will understand how co-pilot function in real life. Now,
उसके बाद
the co-pilot
कॉलेज
option.
जाओ जमा करो फिर उसके बाद
Co-pilot
क्या क्या चीज़ जो
option. Just
बोला
like an agent AI. So how to use agentic AI co-pilot. And this is very, very helpful. The game picture that I show you after a 3 to 4 minutes time. So let's take a 3 to 4 minutes next. Go for the section 3.
ठीक ठीक है